Welcome to the first ever video on Safely, a revolutionary new DeFi application which we believe will change DEXs and DeFi itself forever. We are extremely excited about this, and if you look on your screen, you can see a user setting up his sandbox Safecoin wallet at walletdev.safecoin.org. You can see they clicked on a link on the top right to go to the endpoint dev.safely.org. That's very important. And now they are loading their coins. But what I mean by that is they're running about 10 or 20 airdrop functions, which they will use as test safe coins within the Safely application. Now, what is Safely? If you've been following along with our roadmap, you will know that Safely is not in the roadmap. If you've been following our announcements, you realize it's not in our announcements either. We have not brought up Safely. And yet we have been working on this nonstop for about 8 months. We even have an entire development team devoted to it. On your screen now, you will see the Safely Sandbox application. Now, this is nothing like the final version will look like, but what should be noted is that this is a fully functioning DEX, non-custodial, decentralized, running on top of the Safecoin blockchain, and everything works. That's where we're at right now in terms of that part. Now you can go and try all the functions yourself. Now, if you watch this, you'll see extremely fast transactions. There's one now. Safely is designed to have the fastest transactions and the most efficient experience of any DEX ever by design, as it is written on top of the Safecoin blockchain. Now, of course, this is a sandbox environment, but this will scale into production. You're going to see those same levels of performance there, and we're about to see another transaction. Now, just so you know, some of the transactions in this video purposely actually show an error, and what this is to help out users who have common issues being a single user in a DEX sandbox. One of the issues you may face is simply making sure your balances are in the right spot. It's a little different than a centralized exchange in that way, because since it is non-custodial, you hold your keys all the time. So your balances have to be managed a little bit differently. And so we go over that in this video as well. Now, you're probably wondering what makes this DEX different than other DEXs, other than being faster and more efficient. Well, a lot. And I'm not going to talk about that in this particular video, but we have been working on a number of other features. All I can say is that Safely is going to bridge across crypto and fiat like no other DEX ever has. And it has required an enormous amount of work from us. I'm extremely proud of our team members who have put this together, and going forward, it's going to be a very, very exciting year. Now, if you want to know more, I would suggest coming to our AMA Sunday, July 24th, 6 p.m. UTC. Check the link at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you there.